Hey my lovely foodies out there, my name is Kanak and you're watching Britannia Dessert Carnival, where today I'll be showing you a very rich and traditional dessert which is prepared specially during Eid or any other festival in India, that is Sheer Khurma. So let's get on to the recipe. So let's start the recipe. First up, in a pan I'm going to boil the milk. So I'm going to add the milk first. So we'll wait for the milk to boil first and then I'll let you know what to do next. So once the milk comes to a good boil, I'm going to transfer this pot over the other flame and let it simmer for some time. So I'm keeping this on the low flame. So here I've got a small pan. I'm going to just switch on the flame. And to this we are going to fry our nuts, for which I'm taking 2 tablespoons of ghee. Make sure to stir your milk in between. So once the ghee gets heated, to this I'm going to add some chopped cashews. Next I'm adding some almonds, and these are soaked almonds which I've peeled. So add soaked almonds for 3 to 4 hours and then I've peeled and chopped them. So in goes the almonds. And next the pistachios. For this also I've soaked the pistachios for 3 to 4 hours and then peeled and chopped. So we are going to fry these just for a minute or so. And once these are fried well, next to this I'm going to add in the chironji or the charoli. Next goes in the fresh dates or khajur I'm using. You can use the dry dates also. And some raisins. And fry that as well. I'm adding these nuts at the last because these doesn't take much time to cook. So these nuts are fried well. I'm going to transfer this over the simmering milk. Give it a slight mix and let it simmer with the milk. And now in the same used pan, I'm going to switch on the flame over low to medium heat and I'm going to add some ghee and roast some vermicelli. So in goes some ghee. And once it gets heated, I'm going to add the vermicelli. These are the vermicelli which is easily available in the market. You can see this is the one. Roast this as well for about 3 to 4 minutes over medium flame. And it should have that white coating on top, so you'll come to know that it is fried well. So now as you can see, the vermicelli or the semaiya is also nicely fried. I'm going to switch off the flame. Do not turn it very dark. And transfer this also over the simmering milk. So we have mixed all the ingredients in this milk. So the milk is nicely boiled with all the fried nuts and vermicelli in it, and we'll wait for some more time so that the milk gets little more reduced. And now as you can see, the milk has almost reduced less than half. At this point of time, I'm going to add in the sugar. And mix that as well so that the sugar is nicely dissolved. So now the sugar is also nicely melted, the milk is also reduced and it looks nice thick and creamy. So now comes the flavoring. To this I'm going to add the cardamom powder first. And next a few strands of saffron. Mix that as well. And cook this mixture just for a minute and then I'm going to switch off the flame. So that's it guys, it's ready to be served. You can enjoy this either warm or chilled. So I'm going to serve this in this lovely looking bowls. And then I'm going to garnish it with few more nuts on top. And here you go guys, your perfect looking rich and creamy sheer kurma is ready to enjoy. And if you enjoyed watching this recipe today, do give it a big fat thumbs up, share the recipe with your loved ones and subscribe for more such yummy goodness from Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'll see you soon in my another video. Bye bye.